Say, I will preach.
I will preach
The gospel.
the gospel.
What's your name?
Gospel.
Gospel.
His name is Gospel.
For the money you are looking for, I'll give you $5,000. Come stand up. May God touch you. Give me your phone. Put your phone. I saw by the Spirit of the Lord, as it a move has been opened to you. And the Lord ministered to me that He's about to do something big in your life. Because in the realm of the Spirit, I saw somebody praying with you. And somebody was praying for you. And I'll tell you the name of the person. Because as I grabbed your phone like this, I began to hear the call coming in. It was as if a brother who is just, you know, when you call yourself Miracle, like Brother Miracle.
Yes, sir.
Are you here?
My friend.
Huh?
My friend.
Your friend is Brother Miracle.
Yes, sir. My friend is Miracle.
Tarato Savala.
Prophesy.
So in the realm of the Spirit, I began to see a lot of people were wondering, what is happening? And your problem is simple. It is your father.
Yes, sir.
Sickness and poverty.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
He has tried to do everything to do with farming.
Yes, sir.
Farming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
it has
sir.
not worked.
It doesn't work.
But I came from here and I went to a location called Port Harcourt. And I saw you sitting as if it was a class.
Yes, sir. I'm in school.
You are in school.
Yes, sir.
Where?
I'm in school in Delta State.
I have no idea where that is. But I'm seeing something that is happening there. You have tried and tried to date this woman. I see a girl by the name Ada.
Yes, sir.
Where is Ada?
Ada, she's my
Where
friend.
is Ada?
She's here. She's my
Where
friend.
is Ada? That's what I'm asking.
She's my friend. She's here.
Where are ya? Now, let me tell you why she's your friend. You don't want to hear.
Where is Ada?
Should I continue or not?
Continue, sir.
Do I know Brother Miracle? Do I talk to a Brother Miracle?
No, sir.
How do I know Miracle?
By the Spirit of God.
Now this is the issue.
Thank you, Jesus.
I'm definitely in Nigeria.
Major prophet.
Thank you, Jesus.
Do you want me to solve your problem or not?
Solve my problem.
I solve your problem. So your problem is simple. This man is looking for money and is not finding money.
Yes, sir.
If everything was equal, he would want to date this girl here.
Exactly.
But this girl has said, you can only be my friend.
Yes, sir.
This is just a few days ago. He said, can only be friends.
Yes, sir.
It's true.
It's true.
Major prophet. Major. Look at the joy of the mother. The prophetic. Giving solution. Review in order to redeem Major.
So in the realm of the Spirit, this man here will be used by God. Though. I saw God using this young man. Right now, the form he is in is not exactly what he will look like. So right now, he might be good to be a friend. But a few years from now,
Major. Prophesy, Major. Prophesy, Major. Look at this. Shocked and broken by the prophetic.
I saw even your father. I see your father behind the pulpit. He's ministering on the pulpit.
My father is a pastor.
Huh?
His father is pastor.
He's a pastor.
He's a pastor.